If you need home or garage addition experts to help plan and execute a build that meets your needs, call Finochio Construction of Altoona, Pennsylvania today. Their team will work closely with you to understand your design preferences and lifestyle needs before drafting a customized home addition. The experienced home remodeling professionals in Altoona ensure that all home additions and improvements are compliant with local building codes. Finochio Construction handles a wide range of projects ranging from relatively simple home renovations to complex full garage additions. Skilled construction professionals in Altoona are trained to remodel kitchens and bathrooms, install drywall, add new windows, and frame new homes. Planners, designers, builders, and project managers employ a consultative approach to ensure that every project is on time and on budget. The Home Restoration Company is a BBB-accredited business, providing new construction, renovation, remodeling, and building maintenance services. Go to the Finochio Construction website or call them to discuss your home improvement project today.